Hi, and welcome back to Designs by Nikki Home Decor Tips and Tricks. Today, I'm excited to discuss a few tips for how you can use mirrors for your interior design. Mirrors are, of course, useful for getting ready to go out into the world for the day, but they also make a gorgeous piece of home decor. So, let's talk about some ways that you can incorporate mirrors into your living space. If you have a small room, placing a mirror on any wall can make the space seem bigger and add dimension to your home. As you can see in this photo, this bathroom isn't very large. However, by adding two mirrors opposite each other, it really expands the space and gives the room the perception of being more spacious than it actually is. If there is a dark space in your room, such as a narrow or small hallway, a bathroom, or an entryway, or maybe just a smaller room in general, a few mirrors can help brighten things up by reflecting light. You can see in this photo how the light from the chandelier and the wall sconces allow the light to bounce around the room, which really opens up the space quite nicely. It may be typical to just have one mirror in the bathroom, but a few can give your space additional character. So, take this bathroom for instance. The interior designer could have opted to use one long, wide mirror, but instead chose two framed mirrors separated by light fixtures to add character and interest to the bathroom. The entryway can also seem small and crowded, so adding a mirror adds depth as well as practicality because, of course, you can give yourself a once over before leaving the house. And when you're choosing a new mirror, don't only think about how you will look in it, think about how it will look in your home as well. Let it serve as a focal point in the room. So think of your next purchase as a piece of artwork instead and let that inspire you. And I don't know about you, but I can't take my eyes off of this mirror. It's gorgeous. Another tip when selecting where to hang or place your mirror is to consider what will be reflected in the mirror. Make sure it's something that's decorative and pleasant to look at since it will be seen in the reflection. This is something that a lot of people forget to do that can add so much to the design of your room. In this picture, not only does it add interest to the room, but the mirrors opposite each other again really opens up the space. So, if you're interested in achieving any of these looks, please contact me and receive a free in home consultation with me, Nikki Johnson, at Designs by Nikki. I come to you, and the first consult is complimentary. Or you can just follow my page, watch some more videos, and hit me up later when you're ready to make your home more beautiful one room at a time. Thanks for watching.